really love this experiment because it's so easy to set up and it can apply to any kind of story. You can do this with any story. We've done it with superheroes, with Harry Potter, just basically any story where there's a conflict. We are going to do this experiment with Greek mythology. We are going to depict a scene where Perseus is facing up against Medusa. We are going to show you how to use science to bring this scene to life. It may end differently than it does in the myth, and you can always add an extension by having students write a story if it had really ended this way in the myth.
For this experiment, you will need dry erase markers, a non-porous container, something with higher sides to contain the water, and a straw. First, draw on the non-porous surface, such as this glass container, with the dry erase markers. Slowly and carefully pour in water on one corner of the container. Though this permanent marker and this dry erase marker behave differently on whiteboards or non-porous surfaces, they actually act quite similarly on porous surfaces such as paper and clothes. Permanent markers and dry erase markers are made of the same base components, including the solvents, but they differ in the type of polymer in their ink. Permanent markers use an acrylic polymer resin that functions as a binding agent and makes ink stick to surfaces. However, dry erase markers use an oily silicone polymer as a releasing agent. The oily silicone polymer prevents the colored pigment of the marker to come in direct contact with the surface and makes the ink of the marker very slippery and prevents dry erase markers from sticking on non-porous surfaces. Such as our glass container here, water can slip underneath the colored pigments of the marker. Because the ink is lighter than water, the ink will float.
We're adding new videos every week that you can do at home or even in your own classroom. Make sure to like this video, share, and subscribe to our channel.